We'll show you how to add a video to a web page on your A-Prompt website. So to add a video, it could be via YouTube or Vimeo, for instance. So in the admin area, you click on the page you want to edit here, and you place your cursor where you want your YouTube video. Then by default, actually, the YouTube embed code is not responsive. So your website from A-Prompt is responsive, so you want to make sure that your video is also responsive. To make your YouTube or Vimeo video responsive, use a website, for instance embedresponsively.com, to generate the responsive code. So you first of all get your YouTube video. We'll choose this one, and we'll paste the YouTube URL into embedresponsively.com to get responsive YouTube code. You paste it in the field that embedresponsively.com provides, and you click embed. And this is now the responsive embed code that you want to copy. So Control C to copy. You go back to your website, and then you click Insert HTML code, and then you paste that code that you've just copied from embedresponsively.com and click OK. Then you click Save to save your changes. Now you can do this for Vimeo, and it's exactly the same process. And there you go.